Welcome back to this week's video. This week's video is somewhat different than previous weeks, as we will be doing a quick review of what is resistance. This material is offered for those students who are reviewing topics and projects related to basic electronics. It will be reviewed without narrative in a study notes format. Students are encouraged to stop and start the video on the various topics discussed so they can take notes on that topic. So let's get started with our review of resistance.